Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who don't know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today we are doing my highly anticipated 3 looks 1 palette with the Face Candy Atlantis palette, and I'm super excited. I'm going to be completely honest. I was a little nervous about playing with so many blues and greens, and I was worried a lot of the looks would look quite the same, and I don't really think that they did look quite the same. I also did something a little different. I had my husband pick out some eyeshadow shades he wanted to see me wear from this palette, and I had my best friend pick some shades as well. So the first look is going to be the look that my husband chose. The second look is going to be the look that my best friend chose with the colors. And then the final look, which is the one I have on right now, is going to be the look or the shades that I chose for myself. Well, if you guys want to see how I got this look, including 2 more looks, then just keep on watching. Here we are with look number 1. We are going to start with the shade Ripples, and I'm just going to put that in my crease. I'm using a big Wet n Wild fluffy brush. Just going to get that all in my crease. Next, we are going to go in with the shade Deep Sea, and I'm going to put this just below where Ripples is, so it's in my crease but a little lower. And then I go back in and I blend Ripples back over it just to make sure that that is all blended together. Blend, blend, blend. Going back in with Ripples and just making sure everything is nicely blended. Next, we're going to go in with Swell, and I'm going to put this all over my lid about 3/4 of the way. And then I go back in with Deep Sea just to make sure everything is where I want it. Next, I'm using the Ciate London Fierce Flicks liner. And I'm not going to do a wing on this look. I'm just going to do a line across. Then I'm going in with my Medusas Makeup Witch Lash Mascara. Love this stuff. Then I'm taking the Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil. And this is just the black shade. Then I'm going to take Swell again, and I'm going to just put this on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take Title, and this is going in my inner corner. I'm using a Medusa's makeup brush to actually put this on. Next, I use a Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche Liquefied Lipstick in Whip. And there you are. There is the first look all done. Look at me. I'm all cute with my pigtails. Now we're on to look number 2. We're going to start off with Oceanic, and that is going right into my crease. It's kind of my transition shade. Blend, 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 blend. Blend it all. Then I'm going to take the shade Stormy Waters, and that is going to go all over. That's kind of what it looks like. It's going into my crease and a little bit onto my lid. Don't worry, we're going to fix that in a minute. I'm blending it all back together. Then I'm going to take Tsunami. Let me tell you about this shade really quick. Just wetting it does not work. No, you need a glitter glue with this shade. Don't let anyone tell you differently. Nope, glitter glue. So now I'm using the NYX Glitter Glue, and we're putting that in the center of my lid, but pretty soon I'm going to realize that this was a bad idea. What I mean is I was trying to go for like a halo eye, and it looked bad. So I decided against it and put more glitter glue on my eye because the other option was just a bad idea and poor planning. But I do like how this eye eventually turned out, even though at the start it wasn't looking so hot. I fixed it. Yay me. Blending everything together. Then I'm going to take my Maybelline the Colossal Volume Express Mascara. Then I'm going to take my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Perversion on my lower lash line. And then I'm taking Empire on my lower lash line as well. And then I'm going to take the NYX Liquid Suede in Alien. I don't know, I just thought black lips looked cool with this. And there you have it. There I am, Awkward Posing Danielle. Should be my new nickname. Yep, awkward. I really do like how this look turned out. You guys will have to let me know what you think of it down below in the comments. So pretty. Ooh, pretty. Oh, and we are on to look number 3. We're going to start with the shade Abyss, and we're going to put that in the crease. Now, some of you might be wondering, how is Abyss and Ripples different? Ripples is more gray, Abyss is more like a blue-gray. There you go. There's the difference. Then I'm going to take Oceanic, and I'm going to put that right in the crease. And blend, blend, blend. So it's a lot of just making sure to blend everything. Because it's a lot of eyeshadow on that eye. Then I'm taking the shade Empire and I'm putting that on my outer corner. So if you notice, I pack it on prior and then I blend everything out. I found that that is the easiest way to kind of work with this shade. Pack it on with a flat brush and then blend it to how you want it. And blend, blend, blend. And you really have to blend Empire to get it to blend with the rest of the shadows and not just look like it's sitting there. Next, I take the shade Vanish and I put this all over my lid. I really like how vibrant that blue is. It's so pretty. Then I'm going to take my Ciate London Fierce Flicks liner, and this time I am going to do a wing. And just so you know, I did take a makeup wipe and kind of made the eyeshadow a little bit more angled. Then I'm going in with my Maybelline the Colossal Volume Express Mascara. Next, I'm going to take the Kokie Cosmetics Forest Green Velvet Smooth Eyeliner and put it on my lower lash line. Then I'm going in with Stormy Waters on my lower lash line. I just thought I liked the blue and the green together. Thought it looked very nice. And I take that just about to my wing liner. Now you're going to watch me try and put on these Battington lashes. This is going to be fun, people, because these were a struggle. And it's just, I haven't worn lashes in a very long time. So I'm just going to put it on, let it sit, get it exactly where I want it. And then I go into the other eye. I cut out, I seriously played with these for about 30 minutes. And I had to cut all of that out so that you guys weren't sitting through 30 minutes of me struggling to put on lashes, because it was a little ridiculous, if I'm going to be real. And I'm not sure I quite like these lashes. I need to wear them a couple more times, but I don't know. I just had a hard time getting them to form to my eyes for some reason. Then I'm going to take the shade Title and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. Give it some nice light to my eyes. Then I'm going to take that Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche Liquefied lipstick in the shade Whip, because I think it looks very nice with these blue kind of looks. Well, there you have it. There is look number 3. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope that you enjoyed this video, also watching me struggle to put on eyelashes. I will have a full review of the Face Candy by Atlantis palette coming up. So far, I really am enjoying it. I love the looks that I've been able to come up with, and I can't wait to play around with it more to come up with even more looks. I'm also going to insert a poll at some point towards the end of this, probably right now, with 3 other palettes, and if you guys would not mind voting so that I can do my next 3 looks 1 palette video for you guys. I really like having you guys kind of pick the palette. It really kind of takes the guesswork out of it for me. I also like it being something that you guys would like to see. So if you could vote in that poll, that would be awesome. Well, thank you guys again for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. Thanks again, and bye!